President Gojun, CNNC China, Mr. Zhang Hao, Acting Consul General of China in Karachi, Honorable military officers and former army officers, honorable members of this wonderful organization, and dear guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. It's really a great pleasure to be here this afternoon to inaugurate K-3 nuclear power plant, which came into operation just recently, and it is yet a great step forward towards economic cooperation between our most trusted friend China and Pakistan. I would like to comment the efforts of Karachi nuclear plant employees, engineers, officers, and of course, Minister of Power and all other relevant stakeholders. At this point in time, Pakistan is imported fuel to the tune of $27 billion, an amount we can hardly afford to finance our expensive imports. With K-3 in operation, the total power generation at this site amounts to 2,200 megawatts, and in total, our nuclear power generation is about 3,600 megawatts, which is a very significant